Subject and object. Now, let us understand this very basic concept that a sentence is divided into two parts. So, if you have a sentence, you have learned this right from the beginning that it is divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. Now, what is the subject? The subject is the noun or the pronoun which comes before the verb, and it is the thing or the person about which we speak. Predicate is what we speak about the subject, and it starts with the verb. So let's take an example. Say you have a sentence like this. Rohan likes to play every day. Now, in this case, students, first let's look at the verb. So here the verb is likes. Now, just before the verb, we have the word Rohan, which is a noun, and it comes before the verb. Now, therefore, in this sentence, we have two parts, that is Rohan, the subject, because it is the noun or the pronoun that we are speaking about here. In this case, it's the noun. And starting from the verb likes, so we know likes is the verb. This entire part is the predicate. Now, let's take it further because we are going to actually learn about the object now. Let's take another sentence. Rohan sings a song. So we've already learned that the person or the thing that we are speaking about is the subject, and this entire part, that is sings a song, is the predicate. Now, in the predicate, that is starting with the verb sings, we have another noun here, a song. So there is one noun or pronoun that comes before the verb, and here we have another noun which comes after the verb. And you know that in order to find out a noun, you answer the question what, or if it's a person, it is who. So if I say who sings a song, the answer is Rohan. But what does Rohan sing? The answer is song. So here song is a noun and it is answering the question what, and therefore it becomes the object. So here we have the definition of an object. Object is the noun or the pronoun after the verb, and it answers the question what. So what does Rohan sing? A song, and therefore here song is an object. Once again, we've already done what we mean by a subject, but let's just revise it here. Subject here is again a noun or a pronoun, but it comes before the verb. And again, it answers the question what, or who if it is a person. Similarly, here also it could be what or who if it is a person. So this is how we identify a subject and an object. Subject is the noun or the pronoun before the verb, and object is the noun or the pronoun after the verb. Of course, they should answer the question what or or who. This is the difference between a subject and an object.